Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete unnecessary lines after creating your 3D terrain model in SketchUp. If you don't know how to get these 3D contour lines files, go to TopoExport.com, the link is in the description. Let's open SketchUp and click on Simple Templates. Then go to File, click Import and select the 3D topo file named TopoExport Modeling. Now export the model and turn off all the unnecessary layers. To make the example clear, I'm going to delete some bottom contour lines. Now use the sandbox tool called Form Contours to generate the 3D terrain mesh. Then uncheck Smooth Normals so you can see the mesh edges more clearly. Now explore the terrain mesh again. These are the extra lines we want to delete. Now go to the camera panel and choose Parallel Projection instead of Perspective. Then in the same panel, choose Front View. Now select the 3D terrain above the bottom level. Make a group with the selection and hide it. Next, delete all the unnecessary objects. Finally, go to Edit menu, click Unhide, last, and that's it, you are done. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more SketchUp tutorials.